This is Barclodiad y Gawres, a Stone Age burial mound on the west coast of Anglesey. It's between 3,500 and 4,000 years old. Barclodiad y Gawres literally means the giantess's apronful, as if a giantess had been carrying a pile of soil in her apron and dropped it in a mound. It's a wonderful image. It was excavated in the 1950s. That summer, my mother was actually on holiday here, and she remembered it well. The archaeologists found inscribed stones very similar to those found in other Stone Age tombs in the Boyne Valley, in Ireland, in Brittany, and in Spain. They also found the remains of a fire that had been put out with water containing the remains of fish and small animals. It almost reminds you of Macbeth, doesn't it? When I was a little boy, our family came on holiday here every summer. We often would spend ages at Tyntowen Beach, just over the way. We'd often walk up here